Hi friends, this is Syed Nawaz Ahmad from Syed Nawaz course. Okay, today we will learn how to pass the collections to the view. Okay, so in earlier section we have seen how to use view bag and as well as view data. Okay, so by using view bag and view data, now I am going to show you how to pass the collections to the view. Okay, go to the project. Here I have trainee controller. So this trainee controller I have added and I explained the same in previous session. Now I am going to add a action method public view result show collection. So my action method name is show collection. Add the return statement there. Added the return view statement. So there I am going to add some dictionary type collection. Okay, so in order to save time, I have that code. Copy that code, paste it here. Okay, here what I'm doing, so I am just sending the dictionary of string comma string type, so that the key is string as well as the value also is string. So this dictionary will have the key value pair string comma string type. Okay, here I am adding some railway stations code as well as the name of the railway stations. For example, DG for Dindigul and MS for Chennai Egmore, and MAS for Chennai Central, and SBC for KSR Bangalore, and HYB for Hyderabad, and NZM for Hazrat Nizamuddin Railway Station, New Delhi. Okay, so here key is just the station code and the values are the station names. Okay, this dictionary I am placing inside the viewbag object. So viewbag dot railway station. So railway station is the dynamic property I am defining here, so that there I am placing in the railway stations. So this is the variable and this is the dynamic property. Now I am going to add the give the name show collection 1. Right click the show collection 1 action method, choose the option add view. Okay, so here you add the razor view of empty type. Add this view. I added the view here. See here, so where I placed my values, so railway station is the dictionary, so this dictionary I have placed in railway stations property. Okay, here you write the code. I had that code. So this is the definition list code. Definition list I am creating here, definition term and definition details. Okay, so view bag contains the railway stations property, so that railway stations property I am using here. Okay, so viewbag dot railway station is the source. Here I have all my dictionary key value pairs. Okay, so how to fetch that? I have to use key value pair of string comma string type. So this is the item. Okay, so I am displaying item dot key, item dot value. So this item dot key you can get by using auto listing, as well as item dot value also you can get automatically. So this key property and value property you can get by using auto list. I am adding some header over there, some railway stations in India. Okay, so my view name is show collection 1.cshtml, and for this action method show collection 1, so this show collection 1.cshtml is available. So now I am going to run and check the output. Right, run your application. Yeah, some railway stations in India. Okay, so DG for Dindigul, MS for Egmore, for Central, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Hazrat Nizamuddin Railway Station, New Delhi. Okay, right. So I got the view successfully. So for this view, I have supplied the collection type. So dictionary is the familiar collection type. So that collection type I have passed there. Okay, like the same way. So without using the view bag also, you can send the values. You copy this, paste the code, just rename it so collection 2. So instead of placing the railway station dictionary inside the view bag object, you can place the railway station here. It's just a cut and place here. Okay, you remove the viewbag.railway station. Okay, now you do one thing, you right click the show collection to choose the option add view. Add view, choose the empty type. Okay, give the name show collection to dot c sharp html. Now I got the empty view. Here you just define, so what type of input you are sending, so it is a dictionary type you are sending, right? So that you have to add at model directive is dictionary of string comma string. So this is the parameter you are getting from there. Okay, you can reuse the same code what you had earlier, copy this and paste it here. So instead of viewbag.railway station, you just place model. Okay, so this is enough. You will get the same output. So here you are defining the model, the incoming parameter is dictionary type, so that you are defining that as a model for this view. So this for each loop will iterate the model and get the key value pair from the model one by one, and it will display the station code and station values. Okay, go to the startup, change this, run this. Like this dictionary type, you can pass the list type, or you can pass stack, queue, and any type of collections, array list, anything you can pass to this view by using viewbag object, otherwise simply as a parameter. Okay, see here some railway station. Now I am showing that, so just I am show collection 1. So collection 1, this is the output. Show collection 2, this is the output. Okay, so the output is same, but the show collection 1 is using viewbag object, and show collection 2 is just sending the collection as a parameter. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for listening.